Hey everybody, today I will be making another lineup of Dunkin' Donuts Berry Cherry Daydreamer. Now there's a Cherry Daydreamer and then it's the Berry Cherry, the one that I'm doing. Now they said the difference is the Berry one is made with almond. Now they say it's toasted almond. Yeah, I think I got toasted almond, so I'm not doing all that. I'm just gonna use my regular almond. But if you want to have it toasted and all that extra stuff, go ahead and do it. I'm not though. I have my salt, using regular whipping cream. My vanilla extract. Plus I have dark cherries. I don't have that. So I'm going to be using what I got and that's that. However, you have dark cherries, then go right ahead. Also, I got some green tea, powdered sugar. So that's about it, y'all. I'm going to get started. I probably don't do all this, but I'm going to do it now. I put in my food processor. I want to take it and put a little bit of the green tea so it can be easy to mix, as well as just a little bit of almond extract. Might have been too much. Oh, wasted everywhere. Not to be wasted. I guess it says since you ain't gonna pour out in the cup, I'm gonna pour out all over the table. Not on my watch. Not to be money to be wasted. Okay, don't put in a little pinch of salt. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it up. Cherry fruit punch with almonds. But the real thing, you know how they have artificial? It's not the real thing though. Alright, this is how it look. I'm gonna set this to the side and I'm gonna go ahead and assemble. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my juice in here. Now I'm gonna take some more cherries, like put it in there as well. Put in some green tea. Alright, I'm gonna make the cold foam now. Whipping cream. I'm gonna put like a capful of my vanilla extract. Put half a teaspoon of powdered sugar. Alright, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna blend it up. Alright, I took that and blended it up. It smells so good in here, y'all. Bring my cup back into play. I don't want to use all the cold foam. I'll put a little bit more heavy whipping cream as well as like a capful of the vanilla extract. And I'm just gonna put that in my cup. Okay, now I'm pouring my whipping cream. It's pretty. Cold foam is good and refreshing. Ooh, good. Tastes a bit. When I blend it up, it's not like big chunks, but like tastes a bit. But it's so good. But it incorporates because I didn't really put no cherry juice. Mainly the juice came from when I blended the cherries. So that's when you get that flavor. But the combination of the green tea, because it's already refreshing, added with the dairy. Now when I make refreshers without dairy, it'd be good and refreshing. But I don't know, this combination, it's like, I don't know if they was the first people that came up with it, so I'm not gonna say, but that's the first people that I tasted that. I mean, it was the Taco Bell. Like when they started, they added the dairy with it was on the sun. That combination with the dairy and it works. Yeah, you know how almond can be overpowering too. I know you want to know about that. It pairs, oh my god, almond and cherry go good together. It's like a perfect match with the those cherries. They may have almond already in it too. I don't see this as one of the ingredients, but I'm gonna look that up to see. If not, it pairs good with it. Alright, it was good, like I said, refreshing and good. And this doesn't even have to be iced coffee, baby. I like this. I'll probably do this a 10. Yeah. Now, like I said, if you have the dark cherries, you can use that. I just used what I had. It was cherry, so dark light. It don't matter if you're black or white. No matter what color it is. It can be Cherokee Indian. As long as you got that cherry, baby. And that's what I got. Make this at home, really. You can get theirs as well, but make this at home as well. All right, y'all have a blessed day.